Hey guys, Cars on the Fritz here. So I figure, because I think I've posted it, I went ahead and picked up the Blue Demon 140 MSI, which is MIG stick inverter. It's tiny, like really tiny. It's small. It weighs like 5 pounds, maybe 6. Tiny, but it seems to be really good quality. So, like, look at this. Hold up. Oh, did I unplug it? I might have unplugged it. Hold on. Oh, I did. You know, the shop is a mess. I've been so busy. Oh, sorry guys, horrible camera angle. Alright, there we go. It does have a small power cord, but it's no worse than this thing, which is that Forney 125. Yes, it's fucking dirty and it's on the floor, and I know, shop's a mess. Alright, let's do this. It's quieter, so you have manual settings, synchronized settings, for stick welding. So these are your volts, and this is your wire speed. Oh wait, no. Hold on. MIG synchronized. Yeah. No, these are your volts. This is your wire speed, these are your volts. So as you increase your wire speed, you adjust the amperage. So far it seems like pretty high quality. I was really hoping that the MIG gun would be a DINS connector like the ground clamp. The ground clamp is pretty cheap, but it's easy to swap out, especially since it's a DINS connector. The gun seems much better. Much better than the one on that Forney. At least I think so. I mean, maybe they're pretty similar. This one is a bit newer. It's so small. Hold on, let me get my screen back there. It's like, look, it's not even the width of my palm. But it's clean. I'm very excited to give it a shot. I put flux core in it for now. This is a MIG, so it will run off shielding gas and run solid core wire. So no, that's not flickering. That's just the video because I'm moving. So pretty excited. There's your gas inlet. I'm excited to play with it with the gas. I don't have the MIG gas yet, and it wouldn't be a fair comparison if I did, because this machine is only a flux core machine. So I'm gonna run this on flux core, and we'll see how that goes. But all right, guys, I'll start welding some stuff, and we'll see how it does. All right, bye. Okay guys, I just ran my first beads, teeny tiny little beads, with this Blue Demon. Holy crap. Okay, I paid $240 for this Blue Demon. $240 for a MIG welder. Okay, I gotta get gloves on because it puts out some heat. I'll set you guys right here. You can stare at my wall. So let's see if we can't show you guys what this thing put out. Alright. Gloves, complimentary from Welder's Supply. Okay, these are my first two beads. with this machine. It, compared to that other piece of crap, this is amazing. Look. Hold on, let me try and, there. Still so hot, oh my God. It puts out some fucking heat. Look. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna take some pictures and hopefully put them on video. I want to keep welding because, oh my God, like I'm dying to get something else underneath this machine. But Blue Demon, you need a cheap MIG welder? Totally the way to go. Absolutely. Impressed. Beyond impressed. 240 bucks? Psh, sign me up all day long for that. Alright guys, I'll be back. If I weld some more stuff with it, I'll do a video or I'll post pictures. Okay guys, I'm gonna do something I wasn't really expecting to do, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm gonna do a side-by-side comparison of the Forney 125 flux core welder, which when purchased was one of the cheapest welders you could get on Amazon. Like, it was literally $160. And it came with, you know, one of the crap hold hoods and, you know, a little bit of wire and a couple of contact tips, and that was it. And then we've got the Blue Demon 140 MSI. And I'm sold. This tiny little machine weighs maybe 5 pounds, whereas that one weighs 50. This thing puts out some power. Like, I am impressed. So I'm gonna use this teeny tiny little piece of steel, which I have partially cleaned off the mill scale. There's not a whole lot. I just want to give it as good of a chance to make a quality bead as I could, but I want to do a side-by-side because let me tell you, I'm impressed. So we're gonna start with the Forney, I think, just because, you know, start with the worst and go to the best. I can't believe the stuff that I just pulled off with this little Blue Demon. Like, they have most definitely gotten a customer out of me. Okay, so the only thing that I will give the Forney over the Blue Demon is this one is the Blue Demon's clamp right here. So this teeny tiny crappy clamp is the Blue Demon's, but it is a DINS connector, so easily replaceable. This is Forney's clamp, which, you know, I thought was better. I like it. It looks better to me, but like, and I have to say, this Forney, hold on, I can't see. This Forney, I never used. I've owned it for like 4 or 5 years, and I never used it. So it has no hours on it. Like, it's got, you know, the last couple of months worth of welding. That's it. A couple of months. So it's nothing I did to the machine. So let's do this real quick before my battery runs out. All right. So here's my plate steel. And the Forney only has 2 settings. It has a plate steel, or a thin plate setting, and it has a sheet metal setting, and that's it. And then you have a wire speed adjustment, which I am convinced does next to nothing. The MIG guns look really comparable. Like, they almost look like they rolled out of the same factory. You know, which I don't care. You guys maybe couldn't see that, but all right, let's do this. Let's run a bead, see what happens. Because every time I've tried to use this thing, it's crap. I don't get it. Look at that. That's insane. It won't. That's the weld this thing produces. Like, God, I hope you guys can see that. That's it. That's all I'm doing. I can't touch it anymore. I hate it. Like, it's not loud, but look. God, man, the damn GoPro. It turned on. Look, that's not even a weld. Like, it's booger weld. Booger weld. Like, that's it. That's all it produces. Booger weld. Alright. Now, let's fire up the Blue Demon. It's quieter. This one has the stick option too. So, I mean, that makes it more versatile. Alright. Let me turn the screen back on so that I can know what you're saying. Yes, we've got enough battery power. Alright. Like, just in case you guys didn't see that. Okay. Like, that's what the Forney produced. Look at that. It's not even a weld. I'm sad to say that I have made stuff with that machine and sold it. And I'm not happy about that, actually. Alright, ready? Blue Demon. Blue Demon, I'm looking at you. You guys see this? I fully endorse your product. This is incredible. This is a $245 welder with free gloves from weldersupply.com. This is not a paid advertisement. I paid for this machine myself. Ready? It's beautiful. Comparatively speaking, it's beautiful. I mean, okay, I know I'm supposed to, if there's slag, you drag. And there is a little bit, so we'll try it this way. I can actually see a weld pool with this machine. With that Forney, I could never see a weld pool. This machine sounds amazing. It sounds exactly the way you would expect it to sound. I am sold 100%. I'm gonna do one more just because maybe I'll even draw. Oh, that was me. My dark link there. Cool. Alright. And let's see where my wire brush is. There it is. Alright. Hot. This machine produces some serious heat. You can see I just burned the shit out of my glove. Like, I am shocked. I probably need to turn the amperage down. Because it produces some serious heat. Those are solid beads. Alright, I'm gonna move the camera to it instead of it to the camera because it's fucking hot. Look. Oh, the fucking grounding surface is hot too. That was the Forney. That's what it produced. Booger weld. Look. Look. I know there's a lot of spatter, but I mean, those are some solid looking welds. I'm excited to call this machine mine. Once again, Forney up at the top, and the rest of this is Blue Demon. I mean, I'm sure there's still some, this is on their synergy mode, so I mean, I'm sure there's some dialing in I could do, but I'm 100% sold. Like, beyond a shadow of a doubt, I am 100% a Blue Demon fan. Absolutely. So if you need a cheap welder that can get shit done, and you want a MIG for under 300 bucks, I mean, the bluearc 140, bluearc 140 MIG stick inverter, holy crap, that is a rockin' little machine. I am so excited to call those my welds. I mean, does it meet the Lincolns that I was using in school? No. But those are $3,000 welders. This is a $250 welder. I mean, come on. $3,000, $250. Who, I mean, what? Holy crap. Like, how can you say no? All right, guys, I appreciate it. Bye.